I was waiting to hear from the leadership that please, we are selling off this aircraft. I never heard. So I was still waiting. But now that you are here, you are going to prove that this aircraft has never been sold. It is still here, it's flying, serviceable. When the aircraft stays for some time on the ground, of course we need to do routine service. Just like a car. When you service your car and park it there without driving it, after 1 year you can just come and pick and drive. You need to do again service. So it is this machine here. It has been on the ground because of little business. It has some limitations which we can handle. So it has never been sold. It is okay. We can go around. My engineers here, my partners here, they can still ask them questions. What you want to know? I know there are so many questions about aviation. So let us now clear the air, hear from the engineers, the pilots, hear from me that the aircraft is here and it is serviceable, it is flyable, no any other problem. Only for a few inspections and checks. Even vehicles, you go and do what we call service. Similar to an aircraft has to go through the service. Right? There you are.
So can you now do the inspection?
I am Colonel Patrick Mutome Mbayo, Commandant Police Airway.
So let's do the inspection inside and out. Agio, Avanti, 2 Evo. As you are aware, the Uganda Police Air Wing is a support unit, as explained by the Commandant, which provides aerial patrols, search and rescue. It also does rapid response and troop transportation. It also carries out aerial assault, insertion and extraction, VIP transportation, medvac and casevac. They also carry out anti-terrorism roles. So the air wing currently operates 4 aircrafts, comprising of 3 helicopters and 1 fixed wing aircraft that you will see here. It is a Piaggio Avanti 2, which was acquired in June 2019. During the year 2023, the air wing, using the 3 helicopters, responded to multiple incidents in the Karamoja region, the Rwenzori region, and even the cities of Kampala, Jinja, Hoima, Mbarara, Liragulu, Soroti, and Arua, among others, which makes it an integral and essential part of policing in our country. However, the fixed wing, the Piaggio Avanti, was acquired in June 2019. You remember very well, at a cost of $7,840,000. And it did not achieve any positive outcome since its acquisition in 2019. And yet it has the capacity of remaining airborne for up to 8 hours while providing aerial support. Now, since its acquisition, it has only covered a total flying distance of 117 kilometers because, is it 117?
Yes, that is the time.
The time. So it is 117 hours, not kilometers, because it is not designed for non-tarmac runways, and it also undergoes very expensive mandatory inspections and insurance with no benefits. So there are no benefits that we've realized since its acquisition. So in addition, the aircraft parts are very expensive, given the nature and category of luxury. So the Honorable Minister was briefed about these challenges for internal affairs, and he gave no objection to the disposal of the unserviceable aircraft and procurement of the new compatible helicopters. So a composite board of survey on the 19th of October 2022 inspected the aircraft. And valued it at US dollars 4,271,709.06 US dollars. The value was considered in the valuation analysis by Board of Survey, and it included, they looked at the depreciated replacement cost, they looked at the technical condition of the plane, they looked at the blue book values, and also the current market running, and then also we had an existing requirement of replacing expired parts at over 100,000 US dollars. So you can see all those, and yet we've not been using. And this is the only aircraft on the African continent. So getting other spares also makes it very hard. Therefore, the replacement of the fixed-wing aircraft will provide the police air wing with an additional operational and effective crime-fighting tool. So far, several types of aircraft have been reviewed with manufacturers and in total consideration of the aircraft's possible loads and operations of the Uganda Police. As we conclude, it is the considered option of the Uganda Police that the Piaggio Avanti 2 Evo is disposed of and a new generation compatible aircraft or aircrafts acquired through the trade-in procurement sourcing method and in line with the PPDA laws and regulations, and for value for money. Thank you.
Bana bayisa mu shoti yange badde nnungi.
yenze commandant wa police air wing era ndi pilot mvuzi wa nyonyi, mvuzi enyonyi emyaka giwera 30. Akati tunayogera nnyo ku ebibadde bitingana nga bagamba nti enyonyi ya polisi gye bayita Piaggio Avanti Evo 2 tebagitundanga. Enyonyi tetundwa mu nkukutu ng'omuntu bw'akeera lumunagamba nti n'emmotoka yange eyo nfunye omuguzi kaji ampe musende agitwale. Tekisoboka kubako emitendera egigobererwa okutunda enyonyi. Noye yakuguza enyonyi eyo, kampani yabaguza enyonyi eyo erina kutegeera nekkiriza nti omuntu gamuguza enyonyi tumukkiriza agitwale kuba erinamu tekinologiya. Teri muntu akkiriza nti okwale tekinologiya yawe ogiwa omuntu omulala, tebakkiriza. Kati ng'eno bagikola ya Italy, toyinza kukwata nyonyi eno n'ogitwala nti ngituta kampuni ya Russia kuba tekinologiya eno tefaanagana n'eri. Kati naye buli kampuni ekola enyonyi eno emala kukkiriza, si yeye ekkiriza. Emitendera kati mukama byagamba ebitendera biwanvu nnyo okutunda ennyonyi. So ennyonyi yaffe eno tetundwanga ekyaliwo. Nze nange nina wano bapiloti bange kambanjule, ono bamuyita SP Aziz naye nga ye mu aviation mu lulimi olw'ennyonyi Captain Aziz. Addako yono SP Dunyang mu lulimi olw'ennyonyi Captain. Tuddako SP Elongat mu lulimi olw'ennyonyi Captain. Bonna ba Captain ku nnyonyi eno. Bavuzi ba nnyonyi eno bagimanyi munda ne wabweru. ennyonyi eno ekibaddewo nti tebuuse nnyo bbanga liwanvu, ebuuseeko essaawa 17 zokka. Ekyetera obuzibu nti ennyonyi eno bagikola nga teggwa ku runway, enguudo z'ennyonyi zegwako bazita runway mu Lungereza, teggwa ku runway etaliiko tamaka, etaliiko kolansi, teggwa ku maramu. Bagikola nga olaba engine ezo bwegwa ku maramu esika enfuufu, esika enfuufu neyonoona nezo propera kuba kati ku runway nga ya maramu kubeerako obuyinja obubuuka kasa bukuba ku nnyonyi eno nefuna neyenyiga eba tejja kukola bulungi. Kati n'ekirala nga bwerudde wansi ne bwebanga motoka bwetula wansi nga tevugibwa era onogikola saavisi naye lwakuba nti saavisi yo n'ennyonyi yo ebeera very expensive. Tumalaga gamba nti yo ebaddeawo nagikola saavisi ku luli emazaawo myezi 3 ena kankwate envuge nedda, olina okuddamu saavisi eri gye wakola n'emipiira egyo nagyo bagireka nga tegikoze era givunda ne bwebanga giri mu store sobola okwexiparinga kugwako eseera nga giri mu store nga tegibuuseeko. Kati ennyonyi eno mulimu obuntu bungi nawo oba expiringa obugwako ebiseera ng'etuddeawo nga tevugibwa. Kati byebyetaagisa tufune sente tugiteekemu tukole saavisi eyo eryokeddemu ebuuke.
Ku ssaawa zino ennyonyi eno esobola okubuuka?
Ssaawa zino esobola era kati nebagamba nti kati uno tugenda kukola saavisi tugitwala gulu efaana negenda egulu nemugikola saavisi naye nga tobuuka bbanga liwanvu kuba kati mu mbeera gyerimu tokkirizibwa kubeerayo mu bbanga ssaawa eziyita mu ssaawa nga 2.